big day. I'm about to not only ask the woman who I'm going to marry me, I'm also letting her know that this house is ours. And I'm in the backyard right now. She and Aaron and Cletus are inside the house. Aaron and Cletus are good friends of ours that have been in real estate for a long time. And I texted them a week and a half ago, hey, do you have any houses coming up that are 93720 near Woodward Park, have 4 bedrooms, have a pool, thinking that it was gonna take them like a month or 2 to find that house. Well, they text me right away with an address saying that they had it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I guess it's time to go buy a ring. So I checked out the house, then I brought Gracie here on Thursday, today's now Sunday, and we told her, hey, this is gonna be an Airbnb. Aaron and Cletus are finally doing an Airbnb. And so that's all she thought of it. And so I said, hey, we should also document this. We should get a video crew in here on Sunday. And so here we are Sunday, video crew is here. She thinks that we're gonna be doing this for Airbnb, but in the master bedroom is going to be a little surprise for her. So here we go. All right, we're in northern Fresno, one of our personal favorite locations, but Cletus and Aaron Shelton, you guys have been talking to me about doing Airbnb for a while. We're finally doing it. How excited are you guys right now?
We are so stoked.
And really what you want to do with an Airbnb is provide an experience. So if you open up this kitchen where families are able to come and all reconvene in the best area of the house, I think, is the kitchen.
Right now it would be difficult for a large family or a party to book the Airbnb and feel like that they're not stuck in the 80s, right?
Yeah.
So if we left the floor plan the way it is, we probably would be shooting ourselves in the foot.
How did you guys get this deal?
Pocket listing. The situation was unique, is that the people could actually use the money to be able to make the move instead of putting it on the market, selling it, and having to be out before the close.
Got it.
Love
Great.
it. A win-win.
A win-win.
I'm going to play ref right here between you two. Give us your idea and then we'll hear from
My
you.
thought is to frame in this door
The oasis for the lady of the house that's coming and traveling and wanting to stay and
get away from
probably take this hotel.
Okay, so let's go. Shadow in.
They're here to celebrate our new house. This is ours.
Babe.
This is our house.
Babe.
Thank God, because I didn't want to spend all the money on the Airbnb.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. I'm
Oh,
serious.
baby.
Do you want to know something else? Come here.
Mama, earlier here.
This has been the most fulfilling 9 months of my life. And they've been the whole part of it. Wait really quick. Come here. Come here. Everyone has been asking when we're gonna get engaged.
I asked you today.
And I've been wondering when is it gonna be the perfect time for me to be able to do this? And I can't wait to tell you the whole story, but this is what made it so perfect. Will you marry me?
This finger.
Oh my gosh, it is this finger. My right, your left. Oh, there we go.
Oh my God.
Did she say yes?
Seriously?
Did you say yes?
Did you say yes? You haven't said anything.
We gotta have that on record.
Oh, I love you.
I love you.
So much.
Now go hug your family. Where's your mom? Okay.
George.
You knew?
Make it clear up,
No, it's yours.
This is our house.
So now we gotta really come up with what do you really want to do with this place?
You get to construct it from the ground up.
Oh my God! Yes, the closet. Absolutely. Babe, how? Tell me. Tell me.
We're all all gonna go to lunch right now over at Copper River, and I'll tell you the whole story.
Oh my God, I'm sweating. Oh, I love you so much.
Love you.
I haven't even looked at my ring. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, you're just like you never looked.
So you know she's a keeper because she didn't even
She didn't even look. She didn't even look at the ring.
You know, God works in mysterious ways, right? So when we got the opportunity to buy this house, we gave the person we were buying 30 days to get out. And it was about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago when you reached out
Yeah.
with the information of what you guys are looking for, and I told them, oh, we've got one. It's just waiting for them to get out.
Meanwhile, when I text you that, I was like, oh, it'll take a month or two to find the place. I don't have the ring yet. Like, I'll figure all of it out. And he texted me the place. I'm like, oh shit.
And then you said 2,000 to 2,500 for two with a pool in this zip code. It was like all the stars aligned and it was all meant to be. You know, and when he says, hey, are you and Aaron? Oh,
Yeah.
shit, you can't put a price on that, right?
Yeah.
This is priceless. You know, it's an opportunity to be a part of something. And honestly, I believe this house was meant for you guys, even when we bought it and God put into place someone 30 days to get out so they can move to a good place. And so we're very excited and thank you for allowing us to be a part of it.
Thank you.
Cletus, I love you.
You're welcome.